Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So after retesting this 200 EMA, we immediately pushed up and we are going to update the new all-time high this week in my opinion. And this is very, very bullish price action. You can see on a 4-hour chart, we retested this 200 EMA on NQ and immediately slide back to the buy side liquidity right now. So we will see how Sunday opens today, but according to weekend IG, it's gonna be flat. So next week we are having so let me open the economic calendar, and we are having CPI numbers on Tuesday, PPI on Thursday, and retail sales on inflation expectations on Friday. So the main thing is CPI. So expectations are a bit higher than the previous month. So 2.8. I don't think this is going to be a surprise because the trueflation numbers are hitting down. So I'm not expecting to have any kind of major shift in the inflation narrative. So back to the charts, you can see on a 4-hour chart. So this daily volume balance got hit. Now it acts as a support. So this one is also as a support. There's nothing we can do and nothing bears can do right now, and we are heading towards another leg up, and I'm expecting it to go to the upside until at least September. So 1-hour chart is very bullish as well. So you can identify this 15-minute upward channel. We are climbing up, and we will see what's going to happen on the CPI data after the CPI data. But as I said before, this brief retest from the previous all-time high got bought back very, very quickly, and we are heading towards our next goal. So on SPX, we are at 6,400 approximately. As I said, my target on XPX is 6,900 until December or January, and for Nasdaq 26, 27 maybe. But yeah, bullish price action, nothing to worry on this side. So moving to the Bitcoin chart, you can see we had this huge short squeeze during the weekend, and we are getting above the low of this range. And yeah, I will expect if we happen to reclaim 120 level, more precisely 19,500 level, we'll definitely go back and take this liquidity from 123. My speculation is 128 might be the cycle top at this time. So daily chart is still above this 21 EMA, but of course the CPI can change some narratives in the short term at least. Weekly chart is still at this range as well. You can see we never retested the bull market support band since April, and I think if we happen to lose the band and we have a daily close below this band, it is definitely over. But of course, until now, this is a rangy price action, and I have no bets on Bitcoin. Things are completely different on Ethereum. So you can see how we held this yearly open, which was precisely the 0.38 Fibonacci retracement from this mid-range of 2500, and we continued up. It's about when, not if, we take this all-time high, which is 4800. But of course, I would love to see some kind of retest with this bull market support band. You can see on a 4-hour chart we retested this 200 EMA basically, or we didn't. It was very close, but we didn't actually, right? So this is the range I am expecting to go back again once maybe before we can take the all-time high, because this resistance at 4,000, and I think we need to come back a bit to take some more liquidity before moving up. But yeah, very, very bullish on a daily chart as well. Completely broken this supply. So yeah, some kind of retest and go will be much more healthier. As you know, seasonality wise, September usually can be that correction month, but until then I don't see anything bearish especially on the Ethereum side. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, you can see we had this small correction yesterday. After that, Bitcoin spike, which was a short squeeze actually. And yeah, so you can see we hit this 382 on Ethereum Bitcoin chart as well and broke this level. So we don't need this chart anymore. And yeah, this can act as another support level. And if we happen to have a flash on Bitcoin, I will continuously add Ethereum on my Ethereum position if we tap this Ethereum Bitcoin chart channel, like right here. I don't think it is very likely, but in case we have that flash on Bitcoin, yeah, it would be very healthy to buy at these levels. In my opinion, Ethereum Bitcoin chart bottomed out completely. You can see this 1 week inversion got tapped, and yeah, from here we are just going to have some ranges to the upside, to the downside, but overall the direction would be up until at least 0.5, 0.6. Back to the chart on Ethereum, yeah, very bullish, and the pullbacks are for buying, definitely. The first order at 0.3, which I spoken about in the last videos, so we hit that level and continued to the upside. On the leverage side, you can see the open interest, how we reset it, the open interest, and again we got up and we had this short squeeze. And if you open the funding rates, you can see that we're very close to neutral, so no overheating as of now. Yeah, very bullish, and I will wait some cool off before another leg up. On balance volume, which is very good indicator to me, you can see how we had this consolidation. If we happen to have another leg down, which is going to be very good opportunity, but I'm not sure we will have that. And you can see we are having consolidation here on balance volume before the next spike to the upside and the new all-time high on Ethereum side, which is very obvious to me. Yeah, very bullish, and Bitcoin's open interest, yeah, it is well below the all-time high. Funding's a bit over the neutral, but yeah, we will see on the CPI news how it will react. So the open interest is not that hot considering where it was. So 35 billion, now at 30 billion on Binance. Yeah, overall very bullish price action, and let's see what's gonna bring us CPI. And lastly, the volatility side, you can see, let me close this thing. And yeah, we closed this 21.5 volume balance from I think I just deleted it because we don't need that anymore, from I think June. And we have another volume imbalance gap around from 19.5 to 20.3, which is going to be closed for sure. But before that, it looks like we are hitting much lower on VIX, maybe towards 14, 13. But yeah, on the next spike, definitely go and buy all your favorite stocks, in my opinion. And the best opportunity will be if we have another major spike towards 32, 33, because we have another imbalance here on a 1 hour, 4 hour chart. But I think we will see. We need to close first this imbalance, and if we happen to have a huge spike above 22, then there is a chance we can go towards 33. Otherwise, we'll close this, come back once again, and this volume imbalance will be closed at the bear market after the Q1 2026, maybe. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will try to update as frequently as possible. Thanks. Bye.